Forgetting important tasks during complex events can sometimes result in the loss of life. Over the years, technology has been developed to help us carry out critical tasks. But what happens when technology fails? In 2005, Hurricane Katrina attacked the United States Gulf Coast. The resulting communication failures fueled a series of complicated events that could not be addressed fast enough. No one had planned for technology failure. In the end, more than 1,800 people lost their lives. The events surrounding Katrina have taught us many things. Two of the most important being, number one, complex events can happen quickly, so being properly prepared is the best thing you can do. Number two, being properly prepared might not always mean investing in technology to solve complex problems. Naturally, you might ask, how do we properly prepare for complicated events without relying on components that may themselves fail? The answer is amazingly simple. To illustrate, let's look at something that has been used for decades in the aviation industry. In the 1930s, military aircraft were becoming extremely sophisticated. Pilots were being killed simply because they forgot which buttons to push and which gauges to watch. In other words, maintaining flight quickly became a series of complex procedures and events. It didn't take long before aviation experts realized something had to change. What they needed was a way to make sure everything was done correctly and nothing was overlooked. Their solution? A checklist. A checklist for pre-flight, in-flight, before landing, and after landing. Implementation of pilot checklists became a huge success, while pilot error dropped dramatically. Sales of sophisticated military planes skyrocketed. The benefits were many, while the cost of implementation was little to none. Today, many other industries have adopted similar approaches. Schools, governments, and medical establishments have started implementing checklist systems to govern procedures that protect our most valuable assets, us. Yet it's hard for us to believe a system that requires no monetary investment can have such a huge impact on our health, our safety, and our economy. But it's true. And this is the power behind EmergencyClipboard.com. So how does it work? Sign up for a free account to begin creating and managing your checklists immediately. You can assign checklists to groups of people and print a copy for each member of your team. After that, keep your checklist somewhere that's easily accessible, like on a clipboard that you can hang on the wall. For emergencies, you can put your clipboard in a supply kit just like this one. That's all there is to it. Emergency Clipboard provides a proven method of staying organized when technology-based systems can't get the job done. Just remember, no one has ever died because a clipboard failed during a crisis.